Hey Rush fam, welcome back to the channel. So we're currently at the Duhaney Park Plaza, so stay tuned for the video. Alright guys, so this is a update video on this Duhaney Park Plaza. They're currently doing some renovation slash major changes. Today they're repaving an area that they redesigned. So over there was some shops before, multiple shops. So they removed the shops and then they're turning it into parking. So today they're doing the paving. I'm not sure the reason behind it. I'm not sure if parking was a bit limited on this plaza, but the middle section is now all empty. What I'll do to give you guys a better idea, I'm gonna put in the comments a previous video that I did, which will showcase how here was before, so you guys will have a better understanding of the major changes that they did. So shops are only over that side and also behind me. They also have a very big Shoppers Fair supermarket. It's now open. It was being worked on for a while. So Duhaney Park Plaza, right outside of Duhaney Park. And then we have the beautiful greenery up in the hill. So remember to like, remember to comment, remember to subscribe and share. Subscribing is free, and we're almost at 10,000 subscribers. Alright, let's zoom back out. So multiple shops are here: restaurant, barbers, clothes, dentist, medical, travel agency, money transfer, the typical things that are on a plaza. And again, I'll put the video which will showcase how this plaza was before they made the changes to the middle section. So they have created a lot more parking space. So I guess probably parking was limited. So we have some shops behind me as well, and there are a few shops that are still empty on the complex, mainly down that side and this side as well. So these shops are empty. Kind of not sure why they took so long to get occupied, but probably it's because the location as well of the complex.